Looking to add volume and bounce to your short hair? In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best rollers for short hair to help you achieve effortless salon-quality curls at home. Let's find the perfect rollers for your style. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Conair Hot Roller. If you're looking for a dependable and user-friendly hot roller set that delivers salon-worthy curls with minimal fuss, the Conair Hot Roller set is a fantastic option. Featuring 12 ceramic rollers designed to distribute heat evenly, this kit uses advanced ceramic technology to help maintain consistent temperature while reducing the risk of hair damage. One of the best aspects of this set is its rapid heat-up time, reaching optimal curling temperature in just 85 seconds. The rollers themselves are covered in a velvety material, providing a soft barrier that shields hair from direct heat and leaves it smooth and shiny after styling. The set includes 4 Super Jumbo 1 3/4 inch rollers and 8 Jumbo 1.5 inch rollers, offering a nice combination for creating natural-looking curls with plenty of bounce and body. The accompanying super clips hold the rollers securely in place, though it's worth noting that you'll want to avoid wrapping too much hair around a single roller, as this can make the clips struggle to hold the extra weight. The Ready Dot Heat Indicator is a thoughtful addition, ensuring you'll know exactly when the rollers are at the ideal temperature. Depending on your desired style, leaving the rollers in for about 20 minutes will give you full, voluminous curls, while 10 minutes results in softer, more relaxed waves. It's also easy to clean. A simple wipe down with a cloth after cooling keeps the unit in good shape. The heat range between 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 230 degrees Fahrenheit ensures versatility for different hair types. Conair, a staple in hair care since 1959, has a well-earned reputation for quality, and this product reflects that with its reliable performance and thoughtful features. Number 2. Remington Pro. The Remington Pro Hot Roller set is an excellent choice for anyone seeking fast, long-lasting curls with less heat damage. This system uses advanced thermal technology that carefully optimizes heat levels, and its ceramic rollers generate gentle, consistent heat from the inside, while the heated clips add warmth from the outside. This dual heating method not only speeds up styling time, but ensures curls set beautifully in as little as 5 minutes. The 90-second heat-up time is convenient for busy mornings, and a bright LED indicator makes it clear when the rollers are ready to use. This set includes 20 rollers, 12 large 1 1/4 inch rollers for voluminous waves and curls, and 8 medium 1 inch rollers for tighter, bouncier curls. It's designed for both dry and slightly damp hair, and the rollers are effective in creating soft, full-bodied curls in as little as a couple of minutes for loose waves or 5 to 10 minutes for tighter curls. The included clips are a standout feature, holding hair securely without causing creases or dents, which is often a challenge with other sets. Another impressive aspect is the vertical heating and storage base, which saves counter space and keeps the rollers organized. It's a thoughtful touch for anyone with a compact bathroom or vanity. One thing to be mindful of is the heat. The end rings and clips can get quite hot due to the dual heating system, so it's best to handle them with care. Number 3. Conair Curler Hair Roller. For a straightforward, reliable hot roller set that delivers beautiful curls and waves, the Conair Curler Hair Roller is a dependable pick. Like its sibling product, this set uses ceramic technology for even heat distribution, reducing the chance of hot spots while helping to protect hair from damage. The rollers heat up quickly and evenly, reaching optimal temperature in about 85 seconds, a valuable feature for anyone short on time in the morning or before heading out. This particular set includes 12 jumbo 1.5 inch ceramic flocked rollers, all uniform in size, making it ideal for those who prefer consistent curls or waves throughout their hairstyle. The velvety covering on the rollers is a thoughtful addition, acting as a cushion to protect strands from excessive heat while adding a smooth finish to each curl. The Ready Dot Heat Indicator is a helpful feature that eliminates the guesswork, signaling when the rollers have reached the perfect temperature. Using these rollers is refreshingly simple. Wrap a 1-inch section of hair around a heated roller, secure it with one of the included super clips, and let the roller work its magic. For fuller, bouncier curls, leave them in for around 20 minutes, while 10 minutes produces softer, relaxed waves. To ensure optimal heat retention, it's important to keep the hot roller container closed tightly while heating and place it on a flat surface. Number 4. T3 Volumizing Hot Roller. For those wanting a premium hot roller experience tailored to different hair lengths and curl preferences, the T3 Volumizing Hot Roller set is a smart investment. T3 is known for combining style and technology, and this hot roller collection is no exception. Each roller is designed to create volume and curls while promoting shine and reducing frizz. With multiple size options available, 1 inch, 1.25, 1.5, and 1.75, this set makes it easy to customize your look, whether you're aiming for soft waves, tight curls, or bold, voluminous body. The 1 inch and 1.25 rollers are perfect for creating root volume and defined curls on shorter to collar-length hair, while the 1.5 and 1.75 options are ideal for those with longer hair, delivering soft, natural-looking waves and body. The dual temperature settings and ceramic heating technology ensure that curls are evenly heated and last longer without exposing hair to damaging high temperatures. I appreciate how quickly these rollers heat up and how smoothly they glide for hair thanks to their velvety surface. This material not only provides a gentle hold, but also prevents hair from snagging or creasing. The rollers hold heat well and produce curls that are shiny and bouncy, with impressive staying power. The clips included are sturdy and designed to hold the rollers securely without leaving dents. Number 5. Babilis Pro Nano. If you want salon-quality curls at home, the Babilis Pro Nano Hot Roller set is a fantastic choice. Featuring 20 velvety flocked rollers in various sizes, 6 small 3/4 inch, 6 medium 1 inch, and 8 large 1¼ inch, this set allows for endless styling combinations, whether you prefer tight ringlets or loose, beachy waves. The nano titanium ceramic technology ensures gentle, far-infrared heat, which eliminates damaging hotspots and leaves hair looking glossy and healthy. This set heats up quickly and maintains consistent temperatures, making the styling process efficient and reliable. The velvet covering on the rollers not only protects hair from direct heat, but also helps create smooth, crease-free curls. The variety of roller sizes makes it easy to achieve different curl types or combine them for a layered, natural look. Use smaller rollers for tighter curls around the face and larger ones for voluminous body in the back and crown. The clips are well designed, holding the rollers firmly in place without pulling or snagging hair. Curls set beautifully in about 10 to 20 minutes, depending on your hair type and desired style. I appreciate how this set caters to both everyday styling and special occasions, with curls that hold their shape for hours. Another benefit is how it minimizes heat damage while still delivering professional-looking results.